All right, merry happy Christmas. All right, welcome back everybody. Didn't think I was going to jump in the big chair today, but hey, couldn't help it. The market's flying. We're in a good trade right here on the ES. Got the ES star out here. Took a short trade, nice short trade this morning right out of the gate. Looks like we're sitting at about $1,000 trade right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Come on, baby. If anybody's out there, if you could, drop a line in the chat for me. All right, we're doing our thing here. We got the AI auto trader pumped up. All right, Robert, welcome back. Woo! Thought I'd jump in the ring. We were going to take the week off, but heck, things are cranking, so we might as well do it. I thought the week was going to be quieter than it has been. So it's still money-making week. I had no idea. I thought I was going to take a week off. All right, Mesco, welcome back. I've got a heck of a lag time going on my NQ right now. I've got to shut her down. Robert, is there any trick to this that you know? I'm sitting at like 165. The only thing that I know is I disable I flatten everything, let it settle back down, and then crank her back up again. And I'm sure it's because I'm running like, I don't even know, probably 100 strategies. She's coming back down a little bit. I'll let her, I'll see if she can settle down. I've got another computer running too, and it's high right now too. It's only at, though, it's not quite 2 seconds. It's at about 1 second. Okay, got the ES star coming back on me a little bit. I might have. Yeah, for sure. That's what I tell everybody too, Robert. Exactly. That's my line. Okay, I got the star coming back a little bit farther than I like. I was at 1,000. Boy, we just about tipped it right there. I think I'm going to take profits at
order filled.
if the NQ hits 740 or 750, I'll probably take profit on the ES here. If it can hold the 730, I think we're good on the ES. But if it pops up to like 750, it's probably worth bailing out of this trade for me, I'm thinking. All right, so yeah, I'm running the ES star. That's the star strategy for us right now. It's super hot. Robert helped us right there. Robert dropped it in, and we've been trading the heck out of it since about 2 months now. This thing's it's a 100 tick ES strategy. So this thing's a big time player. It's a $1,250 trade, but it's been a darling. It's been a darling. I'm running I'm running it on 2 computers. In fact, I'm running 2 contracts on the one above because it's so hot. It's running a 3. On that one, it's running a three profit factor of about 3, which is hard to find. Hard to find a strategy that can hit those kind of numbers. Most of our NQs are like 1.2, 1.5 if you're if you're lucky. But you're taking a lot of swings on the NQ. That's the difference. I'm running Steven here today, so I've got 3 strategies running on my live account here. I've got the ES Star.
Order submitted.
I'm running a 20 Unarenko Signal D. Signal D, new strategy, new signal we're coming out with. Should hopefully talk to Sergio and the team this afternoon. If testing all continues to go well, we'll release Signal D this afternoon. Later this evening. Sergio has to do anything over the weekend, he might drop something in, but I think we should be ready to drop Signal D in. So I'm running that one. That one there, that one's up. When you do this, it's a balance between between like mojo. I'm a firm believer in mojo, and I don't want to be arrogant because every time I get my ass kicked. So I just say what the numbers are, but I've got a strategy here on a Signal D that's up $6,000 on about 6 days of trading. So boom, it just jumped in right here. Just jumped in. So it just added a contract. Or actually, maybe this one is from. So yeah, I'm holding 2 contracts. So I'm running a Steven also. So it's a little complicated, but I got 3 strategies running on my live account right now. Steven drone and a Signal D, NQ, and then the ES Star. So boom, just closed the trade there. Exit on line change. So this one here is my NinjaTrader brokerage account. Started at like $5,000 and climbing this morning. So here's the P&L so far this morning, and this is the active trade that's going on. Actually, I've got a couple of different trades. I've got this one here, and then this other strategy that I mentioned. Okay, so we just took another contract with the Steven.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
And I'm running the sniper right here. This is the Signal D sniper.
Order filled.
Runs on a 20 Unarenko chart. So it's a 20 Unarenko.
Order filled.
And the second bar on the turn here took the trade. It's down about 300 on this particular trade. So my ES trade, I'm going to keep it live until unless we climb above 750 on the NQ.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Man, he had a huge, nice slide on the NQ here coming out of the gate this morning. Man, I caught a huge runner on my. I'm running a Tradeify account on my other computer, prop account. Having a nice day on that one so far. I'm in the ES trade, like I mentioned, and I have a beauty, new strategy on a little different software that I pulled in a ringer, and it just went short. So I think I'm in trouble down here. I think I'm in big trouble on the NQ down here. ES is looking good though, so it's kind of counterbalancing my
Order filled.
my NQ trade there. Let's see. I think I'm long on both of those, which is kind of a
Order
bummer.
submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
So to look
Order
at this
submitted.
here. So our top strategy, my top strategy here on my computer is 1345. Again, that's the Steven drone. I'm running that right here.
Order filled.
It's actually down right now. It's in this trade. We're running here right around 21,700. Trying to hold the 700 here on the NQ. All right, had a bunch of people join us over the last couple of weeks. Welcome aboard. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope you get your money's worth out of this system. I'll tell you, the ES Star is the one that's the darling lately. So, you know, I'm all in on it. That's what I'm saying. We have a lot of data now. Robert there's got, I think, Robert, what do you got? 3 months of data? Maybe almost, maybe a little bit more. Running this strategy, and it's been a darling.
Order filled.
Since August.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah.
Order submitted.
That's why I'm 2 contracts deep on the other one. that's hard to do on an ES too.
Submitted.
You have to have some conviction to take 2 on the ES. You're going in $25 a
Order
tick.
filled.
$39K.
Order submitted.
Damn. 1 ES contract.
Order filled. Order filled.
Woo. Let's go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, me too, Robert. It's the best bot I've seen running the ES. I've got some on the NQ that are.
Order submitted.
I've got one on the NQ since November 1st. It's up 30 grand. That's the one I'm trading right now. It's up $2,600 today so far. Hope I don't step on my good luck mojo. Hope I don't step on it.
Order submitted.
You know, I always tend to say if I just call the data, then
Order
it's good.
filled. Order
Everything
submitted.
will take care of itself. Go take a quick break. I'll be right back.
Order filled.
Actually, let me run this by real quick. Any trading signals opportunities that I show either electronically or orally are all for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team, we're not financial advisors. Please reach out to a licensed financial advisor before jumping in the ring here and taking any trades. Let them take a look at your financial situation and you know, help guide you through it. Just will mention that Ninja Trader Brokerage did just send me an email asking for my net worth, basically everything plus my this trading account where I keep, where I send money to fund it. They actually want my whole record to make sure that, to make sure I'm playing with, what do they call it? Risk capital. Risk capital. That makes sense. I'm good with it. It's good to keep looking at your net worth anyway to make sure the damn thing's going the right way. All right, I'll be right back.
Order, order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. 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 Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, let's
Order
go.
submitted.
Looks like we're going down south one more time.
Filled. Order
I
filled.
love auto trading though. I don't even have to think about it. I just know that it's gonna it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. I just go do what I gotta do and then let it do what it's supposed to do. Trying to push farther south here. This strategy is looking for a little redemption. It just got smoked out of the gate for $1,000.
Order filled.
Told you it was a darling. Sure enough, got smoked.
Submitted.
That's the way they go when they're 50% though, folks. You can't ask for more than every other one. That's a hard thing to get over as well. You hope it does lose so you can get a winner next.
Order filled.
Yeah, as hard as that is, that's the damn game we play.
Order submitted.
Yep,
Order
that's
submitted.
it. Hope for a loser.
Order filled.
So the
Order
next one will
filled.
be a winner. Let me show you the,
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, we locked in some profits there.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Here we go, and we're in everywhere. So here's the strategy that I was talking about. This is the one I'm running, Signal D. This one will be coming to you this weekend, hopefully today. Here's the, oops,
Order filled.
here's the skinny on it, as they say.
Order.
So just to
Order.
give you a
Order filled.
clean look, you always do that. Make sure that there's not two. You can accidentally have two of these clicked on the same time, and one can be like way lower and you don't even know about it. And then you're looking at what they call bad data. So we don't like bad data. So we make sure the data's, you know, legit. A couple ways, sorry, a couple ways that I do that are,
Order submitted.
I go look at the like the largest winner, make sure I don't have any number that's, you know, above 1,000. That's the max. That's the target on this one. And then I make sure that the, you know, largest loser, that I didn't get, you know, smoked on some trade where, you know, it shows, you know, 1,200, 1,500, whatever dollar loss. So, you know, you kind of make sure, you know, give it a look-see and make sure that the data makes sense. And then
Order filled.
and then you can kind of go over to the cumulative net profit and just make sure that all kind of makes sense too. But
Order.
this is what it gets per day. So it took a hit here.
Order submitted.
You know, it will take several hits throughout its
Filled.
progression of life, but you know, so far today it had that one trade I told you that it you know, I went down on the hill with it. As soon as you do that, as soon as you put it on your account, you might as well figure it's going to take a huge hit for a couple of days till it can, you know, get rid of the bad mojo. But anyway, it's this particular strategy, so it's you know, having a nice little comeback here on that trade. So it's at $6,000 over the last couple of weeks. So that's the one that I'm trading here today.
Order filled. Order.
Trading that one, and then Steven here.
Order submitted.
Steven NQ8U Steven Drone. Trading this one today too. This one's hot. Yeah, it's at 7,600 over the last couple of days. Not a couple of days, I mean a couple of weeks. Yes. Over the last couple of days. No, over the last couple of weeks, it's at 7,600. So it's having a heck of a run. So these are the hot ones right now that I'm trading on my live account. Now, you got to be ready to get stung. It's not a straight line in trading. That's the hardest part about trading, specifically,
Order submitted.
you know, with an auto trader, that you can always say, it's a piece of shit. You know, it doesn't work. It just lost $3,000 today. You know, okay, yes, I know.
Order filled.
But it made 400, it made 800, it made 12, you know, it did that, and it's up to 7,600 after a couple of weeks. You know, that ain't no BS. You can't BS the numbers. At least I haven't figured out how. I haven't looked at how. These are the numbers from a Ninja Trader platform from each trade, each individual trade, because now we take this data, we export it.
Order filled.
You can export this out to Excel. You can take it into ChatGPT. We can do anything in, obviously, ChatGPT that you want. bring it back and make adjustments to your bot with that activity. So that's what we're working on here. We got a couple of beauties here.
Order filled.
So we took another short with the ES, and we're upside down a minute here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, no, ESs are no problem with prop firms. It's part of the strategy. A lot of people trade ES with prop firms. I'm trading ES with prop firms. I got 2 contracts I'm holding on ES on the prop firm. Man, you can really make some money on prop firms. I can't believe I gotta really take a closer look at the way we price these, because I'm up $6,000 on that thing today. I paid $450 for it, and I'm up $6,000. If I can do that for 10 days, they are in trouble. Quickly. You know what I mean? Quickly. Holy moly! What a great day to trade. Who would have known? I wasn't even gonna trade today. All right, we're going short on the ES one more time.
Order filled.
So I'm running the Steven drone here.
Order filled.
In my live account, Ninja Trader brokerage account. Oh, Ninja Trader. We got welcomed into the vendor licensing, or the vendor program at Ninja Trader. We made it. Woo! Way to go, team.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, we got a $150 trade on the ES here.
Order filled.
I got the kitchen sink on the ES. Robert's got me hook, line, and sinker. Thank you, Robert.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh boy, what a day to trade.
Order filled.
Whew. Letting all the oxygen out of the room.
Order submitted.
Look at this downward spiral.
Order
Okay, I took a long trade over here on the NQ.
Order submitted.
Seems like
Order submitted.
an aggressive move. Oh boy, we'll see. The signal D. I don't think it's faced this kind of headwind though so far. This is a steep curve going down
Order
here
filled.
today.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
NQ's trying to hold the 570s here. 21,570. I think the ES has got a better handle on it. I think I'm gonna drop this this strategy
Order
today.
submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order
Ooh.
filled.
Got steamrollered on that bad boy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, Steven's probably done for the day.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Gotta reactivate him. Steven took his victory lap. Here we go. Got the ES just doing its thing today. Just dropping like a rock. Dropping like a rock.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, Rod, no, I don't know how to do the, I don't know how, let me see. I'm not sure. I've never held a contract. No, you can't actually, no, I know. Apex, you cannot hold contracts past, I don't recall if it's 4:30
Order filled.
or 4 o'clock.
Order submitted.
Yeah, they have, they call it margin requirement over the hour that they're down. What that means is that, you know, price could fluctuate significantly in that 1 hour, and they want to make sure that you have that much money available in case price goes against you. Yeah.
Order filled.
But you can take another contract at 6 o'clock p.m. They cut you off at 4, and then you can jump back in the ring at 6.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Here we go. Got a beauty today. Oh, Steven. Man, Steven dialed up another beauty day.
Order filled.
Had him sleeping there for a minute. He closed on its P&L here. I should have saw that earlier. When we mark this on the chart for you, that means that they're going to sleep.
Order filled.
They made their money for the day, or they've lost their money for the day. So they're down and out. And it's good discipline to. uh, hey, I'm too greedy. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, it's probably called greedy. Anyway, we do have them programmed to shut off at a reasonable number. This is 2,000, but I turned it back on to take more trades here. Oh, okay, Rod. No, what he's saying is he has it running just like we do right now. He's running it, we call it in simulation mode. All these are running in simulation mode here, except these two that I've got running on my live account here. All these other ones are running in simulation mode over here, meaning that they're doing exactly what this live account one is doing. But it's just storing it in the database to say, hey, that's what it did. That's what it did. If you would have used it, this is what it did. If you would have used it, this is what it did. You know. So that's the data that we look at to decide which ones to use. The ones that we've actually ran in the market, and see their performance. You know, down to the trade, down to every specific trade. So that's I got you. That's what he's That's what he's mentioning. Okay, got a little sliver there, I think. No, lost a little bit.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, my NQ strategies are kind of.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
NQ wants to hold 550 here, I think.
Submitted. Order filled.
And we got a $200 trade here on the NQ, and we popped up. We'll sell our ES, we'll trade the ES over here. We'll trade her for the NQ run. I think we got a nice run to the upside on the NQ here. We've dropped about 200 points here. I think I'm going to take a little more off this one. Kind of think this little this thing's over.
Order filled.
We're calling the bottom. Let's see if we can call the bottom here and take a damn nugget out of the market. Take the divot. Let's get a divot.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's push through these sixes. Come on, baby. Throw some gasoline on her. Uh-oh, running out of steam at 600. Woo, running out of steam quickly. Oh, exit on line change. Gotcha. EOL, exit on line change. Nice sliver to the upside there. Who would have thought we had a long trade in this? All right, Marcia, God bless you. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Woohoo!
Submitted.
Scalper, good job. Edward. Boom, baby.
Order submitted.
Uh-oh, I went long again. This don't look like a long move.
Order filled.
Take a look up the leaderboard here and see what's all been shaken down today. Okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Ooh, Mack Truck's up nicely. Retirement plan.
Order filled.
We're trading this one on the live account. It's up 1,200.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm upside down, couple $100 here.
Order submitted.
I'm running old Steven drone.
Order filled.
That's my numero uno.
Order submitted.
Got an ABC.
Order filled.
This bad boy. Woo! That's all signals.
Order filled.
All right, Marcia, way to go. All right, 830 on the ES. Way to go. Pull a little sliver out of the NQ, huh? Thing was making a run for it.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Took a shorty here. One more run at the NQ going short.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, we got a rake even trade here. I was down a couple hundred down here. Here we go. 200.
Order submitted.
We got a $100 bill right now in the pockets. Ouch! Trying to come get it out of our pocket. Hang on to that $100 bill, folks. Come on.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, we got $100 bill. Trying to hold on to it. One heck of a tug of war contest right here at the 550s.
Order filled.
Take another quick
Order
break
submitted.
here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
We got the big board fluttering today. It's fluttering today. Here it is. Holding us tight at 550. Little yo-yo on a rope here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Way
Order
to
filled.
go.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One heck of a trading day here on a Friday. Fun day Friday. My ES star closed on profit above, made $3 grand.
Order
I'm out. I'm out. Taking a victory lap.
Order filled. Order filled.
Made 4 grand on the NQ. And I think it's out. Let me see. I don't know if it's done trading or not. That's on a different system and we don't have the same marker set up yet. That's what we're having Sergio work on now is take the hill, brother. Take the hill. Here we go. Got a $100 bill. Trying to get to. Let's see what 550 has to offer, folks. Looking at 21,550 on the NQ. 21,550. Here we go. Boom, baby. Shakalaka. Lock it in. Schlock it in. Once it hits 350 on the ticker there, we lock in $100. Or $50, something. We lock in something. I think I do 21 or 11. Ooh, exit on line change. Here we go. We dropped in one more time. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. I think the NQ found a floor down here at 500. Ain't gonna see 500. Not today. We were running about 2,200 yesterday. It's about 500 points. Woo!
Order submitted.
Woo! Wee! Gotta take one on the chin sooner or later here. I have them all shutting down at 11 o'clock, folks. I'm out. 11 o'clock. 9 to 11, that's my new routine. Trying something different. Not giving back any more money after 11. The show is over. Here we go. We got a $300 bill. Oh, run me back quickly. And we took a little bit out of the market there. I think that's a $100 trade.
Order filled.
Damn! 11K. Ow, brother, let's go. Man, I love this strategy. Robert, this thing is my favorite. I've been trading this one live for probably about a month. Oh, the 8U. Okay. Yeah, this is the 8U. Sorry, I'm just looking at it on a 20 Unorenko chart. It's the 8U. This is my strategy. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. Yeah, it's on the 8U here. Basically picks off that second candle after the turn, and man, it's juicy. If it's already got the 50 and the 15 in alignment, whew, it's a damn recipe for success right there. This is the setup that we pick right here, is this bad boy right here, right after it turns, and you still are below the 50, and the 15 turns right. Man, juicy, juicy, juicy. Here we go. We dropped in one more time with that strategy. Just barely caught the red on the 50. This one's not quite as impressive, coming around 530. 30s are usually a pretty sticky number. 30 is sticky number.
Order filled.
And we're down 300. Setting up for an ES short.
Order submitted.
If the NQ takes a nosedive, we're in on the ES too. I see it setting up nicely for us over here. Looks like price is stabilizing at 530 here. Oh, wow. Dang. Come on, drop back in, baby. Drop back in at 530. Here we go. Soft into 530. Super soft. That's a soft landing right there. Woo! Smooth. Brought the NQ to a screeching halt.
Order
That
submitted.
was a landing pad right there.
Order.
Woo! Wee, look at that.
Order filled.
Dang. That was a setup right
Order
there.
filled.
Woo. Nice move. If you're a discretionary trader, that was a damn setup right there. Ooh.
Order submitted.
I think the
Order
Bulls
submitted.
locked it back in here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And we called a long shot here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order
Feeling like the
filled.
Bulls took back over the show. Gonna get us a smiley face on our
Order filled.
New Year's weekend. Come on. Leading into New Year's weekend. Give us a smiley face. We got the engulfing candle on the ES. That means it's putting the brakes on, folks. The show is over.
Submitted. Order filled.
Let the grind begin.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Order filled.
NQ gonna test 530 again. It was a launching pad before. A damn setup is what it was. My Steven drone took a hook, line, and sinker. Couldn't resist. And the grind is on.
Order filled.
Woo! Power moves to the upside. And we're back, folks. We're going to make a smiley face today.
Order filled.
Any happy campers out there, take a quick break.
Order submitted.
That's why I'm an auto trader. This is why. Because I couldn't have done that. All right, nice move. Woo! Got a damn darling. All right, what are we in over here? The heck are we trading? What the hell is in on my account here?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, old Steven drone's up $2,800 here. Took a little nugget out of it. Setting up for a long trade on the ES.
Order submitted.
And we're in long. Oh, Steven's pumped. Oh, Steven is pumped here. Oh, Steven is pumped. ES, come on, baby. Signal A. Should have had this candle close, I think. Let's get a smiley face today. Happy Friday. See if we can get a happy Friday here. Good moving market. I'm resetting the strategies. We're going in again. Let's go.
Order filled.
Strategies. locked in a $50 bill here.
Order filled.
Or 100, whatever it is, I don't remember. It's something. Let's see, 88 to 93, 5 points. $100 bill.
Order filled.
All right, let's make sure this damn thing's working.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Way to go, Marcia. Nice nugget. Off the ES, huh?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
ES starting to get a little choppy here, though.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Good morning to trade. Good time to just call it a day right here. Woo.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Man, that was a tough short there.
Order
Everything
filled.
wants to go recover right now.
Order filled.
Shit, that was terrible. Ooh. God damn. Ooh.
Order submitted.
That was a whiplash. We gonna get smoked out of this one. Look at that stretch. Woo! The buyers and sellers. Look at them. Woo! They ain't fighting right there.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Woo.
filled.
Well, I didn't need
Order
that
filled.
trade. Damn.
Order
Calling it a
filled.
day.
Order
All right. Good day.
Order submitted.
Awesome day.
Order filled.
All right, Rue. 3 valuations. Nice job. Who are you using, Rue? Scalper. Where is the scalper? I didn't have it on my leaderboard here. I was looking earlier.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Look like we got a little market recovery here.
Order filled.
A lot of resistance we're coming up against.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
$20 Unarenko.
Order submitted.
This feels like a good trade right here. Really good feeling on this one. Momentum's pretty heavy duty to the upside right now for a second here. That was a heck of a pull off 530. You guys saw it come into a soft landing at 530 and then just explode.
Order filled.
I'm telling you, Rue, some of these, man, they can get in this rhythm where they just make money. It's unbelievable how they do that. I've got one up here that I'm trading that is just, it made 9,000 one day. It's up 4 right now. And it's in this trade and it's going long. Just picked off first target, 350. And you know, you can't see your actual P&L on Tradeify, which is frustrating because it's up big and it doesn't, I can't see it until tomorrow. It doesn't go in until the end of the day, I guess. Here we go, we're going on.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I think pulled another $100 bill out of the market there with the old Steven drone.
Filled. Order submitted.
Okay, nice.
Order submitted. Order filled.
90% off.
Order filled. Order submitted.
It's almost free.
Order filled.
Whew. Boy, don't go short right now. You are getting set up like a master magician here. Man, we saw it at 530. Just came in and kissed it. Boom!
Order submitted.
Rue, if you get a good one that gets good numbers over a week or two, drop it into the Discord for us. Let me show you where. So here's our Discord channel. Anybody who's interested in the right line trading AI auto trader, this is our Discord, and we've got 188 online right now. So thank you for everybody who's joining us at Right Line Trading and part of the team here. But we are truly a team, and we do have members who help us along the way here, tons of them, which I really appreciate. It's truly an honor to be part of this team. Inside the strategy and collaboration channel, Rue, would be the awesome place. This is where people, drop their ideas, things that are working well, things that suck, things they're working on. Michael here, man, dropped a huge nugget for us. Michael, thank you so much. Michael, appreciate you. Went to extensive length to make, super good detailed documents that have, nice pictures of the real screen and everything, so you can really match up what he's talking about to the actual, screen as you're looking at the auto trader. So really, really well done, Michael. Thank you. But yeah, Rue, if you want to just, drop it right in here, that would be the perfect place for it in strategy and collaboration. Okay. So that's kind of the repository for, all of us, doing, strategy, trading, and information that's really helpful for each other, which has been super helpful for the whole community. We've got some strategies now. The ES Star is a representation of it. That's from a community member that's had had a huge impact for several people and several bank accounts. So thank you, Robert, and everybody who helps us in Discord. Literally, thank you. Awesome. So we got the Steven drone here. Oh, Steven, it's an oscillator. Oscillator entry. Right here's the signal that it takes. We do have a couple of filters in here. We got to have the green, if we're going long, green 50. This is the thick line. We got to have a green 15 line, which is the dashed line. And then price has to be in that direction, so it's got to be going long if it's both of them are green, and price is moving upward as this indicator down here lunges past the 50. That's the balance point. This is the balance point right here, 50. So that's the balance point between winners and losers, longs and shorts. That means price is truly balanced here. It's kind of like a rubber band. Continues to go out, slides back, goes down, slides back as price moves up and down. So that's the entry. It's the oscillator entry. Very powerful signal. The balance of power in futures trading is what it's all about. This is the momentum battle right here. That's what futures is, momentum battle. Price momentum. My favorite thing is momentum. All right, we got David Wise. Boy, I'll tell you, David Wise, he's the one that's super committed beyond normal. He's driven to extended lengths on supporting his members, and he'll be up at 11 o'clock. I told him all week, hey, it's Christmas week. Take the week off if you'd like. He's like, I'll see. He's been on every day. So, hey, he'll be up at a couple of minutes to share his thoughts on the options trades. He's in quite a few right now. We're holding a couple right now. Had a nice profit on the last one, so man, David, thank you. Woo. We've been smoking that service is hot. We sold a couple lifetimes, so man, that's impressive. That's a real commitment. People have been taking his trades for some time and really know he's got it. He's got it figured out. That's an art, and it takes some research, and he's got the software to help him pull the rabbit out of his hat. So thank you, David. Everybody in the community, thanks for joining me today. Appreciate it. I wasn't gonna go live today, but man, the market was moving beautifully. Absolutely beautiful moves today. So we had one heck of a run. We were up about 1,000. We slipped back to 789, but we'll take it. We'll put it in the pocket for today. Go do that New Year's victory lap this weekend or throughout the next week, and we'll catch you on Monday. I think we'll try to jump back in the saddle here and go live again. But we were thinking this week was a down week or whatever. I was trying to hold it as a vacation week, for the team and everybody. But man, shoot, when you move 200 points, you got to jump in the ring here. So appreciate everybody joining the Right Line Trading community. Bye, guys.